Come on, baby. Come on, Tristan. Come on.
It was so great. So great. So great. I enjoyed it.
That way you feel for say. Come here, say when me feel for say. That way you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome to another KeneishaSays video.
Hey guys, welcome back to another KeneishaSays video. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. Welcome back to another video. Yeah, mess up my intro. Go on, man. Guys, I am literally rushing to bring this one to his game. His first game of the season. Game's supposed to start 11 o'clock and it's 11:02. 11:30? 11:30? I should get your man to me 11 o'clock from reach early?
I told you 11:30 yesterday.
Mother sucker.
I told you 11:30.
No way, Tristan. So many things I could have done in the house. Guys, so I feel like I'm doing that purpose. Remember my ear now 11:30.
But at least I can get more plays on it. I didn't do that on purpose.
You did that on purpose. Guys, it's 11:03. I will literally live like 3 minutes down the place. So you know it's so well early. And I'm here about to say that we are late. Come like that's the only way I can reach early when I think I'm late and the time is wrong.
You know, I should start tricking you.
Don't do that, shoot. Listen, okay, so we're on time. I'm not supposed to Papa do my skincare or something this morning because me a rush. I not to put on no perfume. Me put on roll on. I want to put on roll on.
Disgusting.
But I remember. Guys, it's Saturday. So I did not go to work because I told you guys that in the week my mom's birthday was on Thursday and we're gonna bring her to eat at a restaurant. Obviously a restaurant, where should I eat? But you know what I mean. I'm driving and I'm not, you guys are not on the thing because I thought I was late, so I did not put you guys up because of Tristan. Savannah's also around the back.
Because I told you 7.
She's not feeling so well this morning. But anywho,
So I'm not gonna talk that much.
That's okay, mommy. I got you. I understand. Just don't lose no police and stop me. We all gonna go for dinner this evening. TJ's down here, so it includes the entire family. I love that. And Troy went to work. He will be coming home early. Woo! So we can go. Appointment is the reservation is not until 6 o'clock. Matter of fact, I need to call to make that reservation for 6 o'clock. So when Tristan is playing, I'll do that. I wanted to watch Tavania here this morning, but again, I thought I was late, so I didn't do that. So we gotta figure that out because I hear it cannot go like that, and it can't go back to school like that. So I gotta figure that out. But I lose it out this evening and then watch it tomorrow when I come from work. But you gotta figure out something. Oh, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. Plan is bring Tristan to his soccer match. I'm gonna stop by the the hair store. I need to get some elastic bands for Tavania's hair. Then I'm gonna drop the kids home. TJ is supposed to be, I'm telling you this, TJ don't know this yet, but TJ needs to bring Tristan to get his hair cut. Then I'm going straight to my hair appointment because I was supposed to go police, hey, murder, police. So I was supposed to go to my hair appointment on Thursday. But if I had gone at the time that I was given, I wouldn't be able to make it to Tristan's soccer practice. So since I knew I was going to be home today, I suggested that I come today, but again did not remember about the soccer match, so that have to be done after I drop them off. So again, soccer match, hair store, Tristan go to the barber, I go to the hairdresser, and then we're going to come back, get dressed, go to the dinner. That is what we have. And then lose out of on a hair work again tomorrow. Yeah, so busy life over here. Anywho, I'm about to pull in to the place. You see how close? 11:07. Boy, early. I think him did that because he was telling me from last week, Thursday, that mommy, the coach said to make sure we come on time. And keep on stressing it, on time. Make sure we're there on time. We're almost half an hour early. Anywho, when we get parked, oh, it's a full. Look, it's full. No parking. Outside.
Come here.
Yeah. I hurt my head.
Spread out.
Get the ball, Tristan. Go on the wall.
Come on, Case.
Everybody chase the ball.
Tell him now. Go get it. Bust him now. Tired. Tristan, focus up there, so for your goal, that's in my youth. A year goal, focus up there, so forget the ball. Tristan, go for the ball. Get the ball. Alright, calm down now, calm down. Yeah, good. Keep it going with himself.
Keep up. No, hold it to the edge of the cup. Right there.
Yeah. Tristan, go, get it. Tristan, get the ball.
Come on, Case.
Your aim is to not let the ball come up here, so.
Don't let him out.
Go, run for the ball, my youth. That's not like I'm not take picture.
Kick it in the middle.
Tristan, is your goal. Go get it so you can score. Help your teammates. You tired? Tristan, you tired? So use the energy, my youth.
Huh? Yeah, stay on that side, right? Look. When the ball goes, that's why you don't...
Are you my weight pan? Yeah, are you my weight pan, man? I tell you if you make it nice. I make nice, I practice. I tell you if you make it nice. Defend! Oh my God! Defend and help him! Yeah, love that. Tristan, go for the ball! Get the ball! Yo! Yes, keeper! Right, that's so. Keeper to go on himself.
Keep up. Slow down.
Right, that's a keeper. Right, that's a yeah. Careful, lefty.
Guys, where's my forward for the blue team?
Focus on the ball, babes. The ball is your aim. The ball is your aim, okay? Remember where your goal is and help your teammates. Oh, get the ball from him. Get the ball from him. Yeah, take Tristan, get the ball, Tris, get the ball. Bring it down to the goal. Bring it down. Go. Tristan, go for the ball. Help your teammates at the goal, lads. Oh, Jesus. Tristan, Roblox is there, come on. Them tired to racing. Not for the Roblox. Hey, you know what's a Roblox? Hey, them tired, not to the work. Tris. Go and fight, Tristan. Go and fight. Tristan, we gotta go for it. They're not bringing it to you. Go for the ball. Goal, we say. Come on. Come, blue team. Bring it back up. Come on. Oh, God.
Game done.
What happened?
Didn't get kicked. Something happened. Oh, no. Uh-oh.
Over kid. Who's scared? The fact Emma cry because every time he get kicked, he get back up, so he must be hurting. That your son? Your son? The one with them all on fun. Who's? For the mother or father there? Oh God. You okay? I'm for that. She just stand up one side, sir. Jesus. Eh? Like somebody stepping on chest. I may say, Jesus, when I divorce you. Alright, let's go. Man, no man. Come on, Tristan. Roblox sit up on the table. Come on, blue team, bring it back up. Blue team, get it up. Hey, get the ball up. Hey. He have one use, him a keeper. He have one use, he can keep. Alright. We give him that. Tristan like him boss, man. He might work, but he not work smart. He might work hard, but not smart, because he not going for the ball the right time. And the kick, the one might give a good kick, you know, but he not kick it to nobody if it makes sense. Blue team. My voice is going. Tristan, come on. Come, blue team, bring it up. Blue team, get it up. That's right, bring it down the theme. Bring it down the theme. Yeah, bring it down the theme. Bring it down the theme. Blue team. Blue. Tristan. Tristan. Oh God, people are kill me. Head hurt me, my throat are going. I'm in the rain. We must love a pit in the man. We have a different, yeah, them have to rub me up. You must be crazy. Eh? Right there, so, which is right. Tristan, 1 goal.
Come on, blue team, wanna get the ball. Come on, blue team. Tristan.
What's up? Coach, I move like Anthony and Pants to rats. Murder! That coach have a good on. Manage him. Alright, Tristan, 1 goal for it. Come on. Come on. Tris. Bring it up. Shanja! $10 Roblox. You get $10. You get $10, not 20. Yeah. Eh? Effort. 10 feet effort. Oh God. Hey.
Come on, blue team,
Tristan. Go get it. Come on. Hey, bring it up. Come on. Tristan, help. Come on, we gotta help. We gotta get 1 goal. Almost over. Get it. That's a duck it. Oh God. Tristan, get it. Come on, baby. Come on, Tristan. Come on. Ah! Come on. Yeah. All right. $20 Roblox to that. Yeah. This is a bus out. Yeah. All right, man. Boy. Oh my God. Hey, man, I forgot to find out which one to get to faster. That's a problem. I forgot to think about it. I didn't have a $10, but it's 40 hard. Ah. Bala! 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 Right, let's go. Hey! 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 Right,
This is my new celebration. Look.
Tea! I love it, I love it. So, game finally finished. My voice is going. We were playing in the rain. I know I catch cold right now. But look here. 4-1. He gave the only shot on his team.
No, it was 4-2.
A 4-2? Who else did the second shot?
I know it scored.
I don't remember seeing anybody else.
Yeah, somebody else scored. I just don't remember.
Really? Well, he got one of the goals in the last one. Like what? What do you have to say to the people?
Thank you for supporting me, guys, and I will go on to be the best. Which
is right. You have no choice but to get to be the best. Guys, when I tell you that, everybody knows Tristan's name because of me. I like myself. At the end, every parent came up to him and said, "Great job, Tristan." Right? See, so when I'm not here, because I think this is the only game I will be able to play or able to come, because obviously I work on Saturdays. They will be here because as you guys, you have to support him regardless. I'll be at the practices, but the game, everybody don't know Tristan's name. Everybody, you can't ask. Once you mess up Tristan, it's going to be on you because they know your name. So you better come, as the coach say, come and stop with the extra tricks and just go for the goal. Alright? Got it? Alright guys, we're going to go to the hair store and then we're going to go to the nail appointment. I promised him $40 Robux because of it was supposed to be 20 but because of the tap shot one he took, and he took like one of them was so close, but I still give him 40. I had to use that to influence him, forget what I need, forget. I had to use that as a reward because them then are going good. Anywho, guys, let me see at the hair store and the battery almost done.
I'm not mad that that I didn't do a spectacular goal, but I just wish the ball would have went in the air. You feel me?
That's not important though.
I know, but still.
But you overall of the game, what you think?
Of the game, I give myself 75 today.
75. So you know the 100. You see, you had a lot of opportunities that you feel that you locked on, right? Yeah. All right, but we're going to do better next time. It's a learning process, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
They're killing me.
Take time. All right, guys, we reached the hair store. We're just having a whole conversation in the car, me and Tristan. So man, careful. And I say, don't miss me when I don't come and match them because I push him, I motivate him. Yeah, just calm myself down. I push him for do good, you understand? I just everybody know him name. Alright, we're just gonna get the huh? Alright. Hey, what's up? Let me get the last of them first. Down here, son. Come on here. Pick up a pack of that. Right there, son. The last of them right there. The big one like I'm gonna have. You see it? Yeah. Wave oil. Let's go on here. Where do you find the wave oils? Like for all the way down past the okay. Like I'm that's at the end or like I'm turning? Okay, thanks. Come on here. What's the name?
Need the black
Thank
one.
you.
I need a black one.
Yeah, here. Yeah.
I need black.
Black one. I need to come in black. This is it.
We only have the blue sport. Oh, hold on. Is this sport?
Black short and neat right here.
I need the sport one. Daddy said.
Sport. This one. This one.
Can you call Daddy real quick on FaceTime?
Oh, you went to get a card? Look at you. No answer. You want to wait until?
Yeah.
So whenever we can come back. All right, Tamana, we just getting this. Bless you, baby. Ooh, we gotta rub you up when you go home. No, we're gonna just cash that.
I'll just normal things.
You sure?
Yeah, that's normal. Look how I'm walking.
What's that hurt you? Yeah?
That's the life of a football.
Life of a footballer. Tell you, put that down, I guess so. Put that back here. Much is the feet? There should be an orange tag. Look at the bottom. What does it say? Alright, so guys, I'm running a little bit late for my appointment. What's new, Keneisha? What's new? Entering the elevator right now. And my hairdresser just called me. So, it's supposed to be at 1 o'clock. It's 1:18. Traffic plus I couldn't find any park. So, but I'm here. Alright guys, so I literally just purchased the Roblox card from Target and they were going to send it to my email. So I promised him the Roblox for the goal. He's going to get a Roblox for the goal and I actually purchased him $40. Okay? So, yeah. You know what I was thinking? I regret not going on live on TikTok for that one because that would be, trust me, you're going to find out to lose my voice and the rain and everything. And I was talking to Tristan in the car while we were driving and he said he enjoyed me being there. Like, I motivated him to do a lot better and just give him vibes when he was losing the energy and everything. So, especially when he heard about the Roblox, that motivated him a lot. So, I love that for me. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to go there like for every game. There's no more. That's just sad. But I enjoyed it. Trust me, I felt like I was playing, and then the Jamaican people that was there, the vibe was there. I feel like the parents never played the game. Got my hair all the rollers in my hair and everything. So we're finished here. We're gonna go home, get clothes ready. I'm not sure what I'm not sure how I'm gonna do Tavana's hair yet. Based on the fact that I don't have that time. Then I'm gonna loose it out and do something and then see if I can get it washed tomorrow. Even when I come from work, I'm gonna be so tired. I wonder if I can leave work early. Let's see if I can leave work early tomorrow and then come wash our hair. Anyway, guys, I am here and I'll see you in a bit. Okay. Hey guys, so I literally just finished. It is now what time? 20 minutes to 4. That's crazy. I'm coming from after 1. But I'm gonna rush now. Should I put this for charge? You know, should I put this for charge? Alright, let me put this for charge meantime. Put the battery to charge because we had. Come on now. This I rush, I'm don't rush now for go home. I'm not gonna normal. I'm just putting the battery to charge. Obviously not on the thingy because I know I'm gonna need it. I wanna make sure that I have it. Come on. Alright guys, we're going home. Let's go. Walmart, where are we going, Mama? Huh? Walmart, where are we going?
Yeah, dining table in there.
Yeah, of course, instead of everything.
Pretzels and everything today.
You need to learn if you appreciate it and gratefulness.
I don't complain. I don't complain. So when you even go sit down for one park or whatever.
Where you think you're going, man? Where you think you're going?
I don't know.
Where you think you're going?
Somewhere to have food.
Oh, alright. Keep it over there.
It's the restaurant. Restaurants are supposed to have food.
Exactly. Nice.
Maybe KFC, maybe Olive Garden.
When this real?
That's the food.
SP, you come over Walmart over here, son? Try. Or the Marshalls over here, son?
2 for 6.
Question about them, the city car, guess what? I just go to places, I don't know which part everybody look the same to me.
We're going to Reddy's for that.
And for 5 months, me not read it. Wow.
I knew it. See, mommy, I guessed it.
Wow.
You remember, mommy?
Keneisha, I know. TJ, can you remember you said grandma don't worry yourself one of the day when I start to drive on my car, guess what? I'm gonna take you to your favorite place, Red Lobster.
I can't even remember that.
I remember. There we go.
Mommy, remember I guess the mama?
You did.
Red Lobster.
Grandma, when we come back from a match, grandma, me I guess, me
I
say
want to
Olive
earn
Garden.
the
Mommy said maybe. Mommy, let me guess, Red Lobster. Mommy said maybe.
Red Lobster, I don't know big restaurant anymore now, but it's because you always say.
Watch the camera.
Sorry. It's because you always say you never go Red Lobster before you always want to go Red Lobster.
Yes.
I say
I
would be.
hear about it.
Yeah, Red Lobster once upon a time was the ish. It's not the top, but I think what's up restaurant. You don't think Red Lobster anymore. Oh, this. So guys, we are here running a little bit late. 4 minutes. Let's go.
Is this a fancy restaurant?
Hold it
Watch your door when you come out, huh?
Oh, yeah. Next time, Tavani. Moment in this, I might have to borrow your jacket a little bit for Tavani, yeah? Careful, Tevi.
Who's ready to eat some seafood?
I'm not gonna eat none of this.
Not eat none of this. Come on, relate already.
Do they
One
have
of them, come on, relate.
I want to eat shrimp.
I wonder what they have, mama.
I wanted to do have shrimp.
Yeah, just in case it's Tavania. Take off the carrot jacket just in case it's Tavania. Come, go. I'm not going, go. I have a 6 o'clock appointment for Keneisha. Reservation appointment. Keneisha, yes.
6 people?
Yes. I'm sorry?
Are you close to that table?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Come with you, you said? Okay. Let's go figure them a second. Birthday girl here.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
So she excited because she come to our place, so she always want to
My
come.
favorite place I wanted
What
to
would be your
come.
favorite? Yes. 2. Yeah. What would be your favorite place you never come here before?
Because I always hear about it and I always want to come.
But it can't be a favorite if I never come before.
I want to see if it will be my favorite place for the next time.
Okay, alright.
I hear about it and I
Alright.
want to be there.
She's a surprise guest. She didn't know that she was gonna come. So I planned this, made a reservation and everything because I knew she was talking about when she come and jump in America, she always want to go Red Lobster, she never go. And she come here like 3 times already. So
Right.
Red Lobster is before she got out.
So you're right. Look at the lobster in the thing over there.
Can't see it good. Tevi, say hi. Say hello. Savannah is not feeling so well as I told you guys before. Family over there. Tristan, show yourself.
Red one, me know my wife. Can me give this one to my family?
Show yourself. Yeah, we get to touch them too.
No, you want to tell them to invite you.
But the claws are stuck together.
I don't know.
Sure, but
You wanted to touch them?
if I don't have no gloves, they're nice and clean.
Thank you.
I'm gonna look at one of the lobsters.
Huh? Go with her? Okay, let's go. Thank you.
I like the lobsters. Wait, 1 second. I always wanted to go stop and shop to see the lobsters.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright.
Can we get an end one?
Can I could put two in the middle. The last one doesn't have a server.
Okay, let's go to
The middle one's okay?
Yeah. I think they set it up for the 6. They may have to grab out the extra chairs. Thank you. There is no server, she said, for that.
They can serve there.
You sure? It's not too much trouble? Okay.
So I can
Here we go. That's why I say clean. So just stay here because they got these prepared for us.
I can clean it for
Come, you're okay. Thank you. Sorry to give you all this trouble. Thank you. The lighting is not lighting though.
Mama, I got the food I want.
Which food do you want?
I want this shrimp and this orange.
These are easy people stuff. Huh?
You say look good up as a what?
What? You can
Can we look together or no, bro?
Let's look together.
Look at stuff when you don't even look at
So let's look for appetizer first.
Alright, so I'm looking at these. This look fire right here. It says crispy dragon shrimp and it says tossed in the sweet and spicy chili sauce. That look fire.
Yeah, nice try. I like that. Babes, the appetizer. Try Tristan and TJ talk about the crispy dragon shrimp. You like? Me not see that like that.
anything shrimp.
I don't see anything else that I'd like. What is scallops? Is that
Bacon wrap.
what is that?
They're pastas.
Yeah, I looked here, but there's no shrimp up there. Just chicken, lobster.
Shrimp linguine Alfredo.
Mama, look at fish.
It's just a different noodle.
Okay.
Sevi, you looking to see what you want for appetizer, Mama?
I already did. I got everything what I want, but they don't.
I'm looking at this one. This is definitely that's on the list right here. Case of chicken linguine Alfredo for the spicy chicken in the house made creamy garlic sauce.
Hey, Mama, I can find
Excuse me?
Oh, thank you.
first. Okay, someone, TJ, you can have the first bite of the first thing.
Take
No,
up-
no, no.
take up-
Take a napkin.
Do you like it?
Right, the plate.
Okay.
Mama, I
That's
can
what you
find the
want?
drinks in.
Oh, you're a dinner, Mama. Anything you want. Taste this, Mama. Them famous for this.
There's you good man.
Mm.
What did you not like?
Stick to my gum. And
Okay, warm. That's
and
right.
two, so-
Careful. Something to drink. I didn't even look on the menu.
Can I
You guys
please
have bottled water?
No, it's just from the fountain.
Can I please?
I forgot I could do that now.
You know what I'm-
Which way it go?
He said,
Well,
I
well,
can do
way
that
go-
now.
Alright, so do the same thing.
One Heineken? Two Heinekens?
Let me have a,
Is that one?
I believe you. Let me have a strawberry daiquiri.
I can make.
You can do virgin.
You can do a virgin. Yeah.
I need
You can do a cocktail that's virgin.
Mine not virgin, but not too much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think they just do a shot of it.
Okay.
For
He
you,
needs a cocktail virgin. No,
I could do
What kind of cocktail?
this one. Coastal Colada mocktail. I think
Which one?
This one.
The 2 servings of shrimp.
What kind?
The crispy dragon shrimp.
Can I please have the grilled shrimp and orange?
You want grilled shrimp, oranges?
Yeah, and some grilled chicken.
Yeah, with it. Keneisha, wait a
And what?
I think she's doing her old appetizer.
You get this
I'm
one.
hungry today.
Mama, you said you wanted the lobster flatbread?
You need for the appetizer mozzarella sticks. How many
And then
6.
and then 1 lobster flatbread.
You guys
Yeah.
need a moment to order?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Thank you.
I'm very hungry today.
You better make sure to eat everything. Alright, TJ, make up your mind. Tristan, make up your mind.
Yeah, I might just go with the case.
Huh?
What do you call the case?
The order location
Yeah,
chicken.
low key, it was either between that or steak with like bacon mac and cheese or something like that.
Or maybe this, you know. Maybe
I feel like it's everyday things.
Well,
I feel like it's every mac and cheese. I eat mac and cheese every
I
day.
know, but it's steak with bacon mac and cheese. That's like exotic.
When you come out.
For me, I definitely want. I can't come to Red Lobster and not eat lobster.
Yeah.
This one.
Hey man, more you get that too much.
Just what you want?
So Claude, or you Claude Balloon.
The lobster and the shrimp. And the mozzarella sticks.
Okay, that's it. You good?
Alright, we'll take this then.
That's all I think.
Me hungry.
And if you like it, most of us, I'm gonna like it.
Oh yeah, take it so I can get some of him.
And I'm just waiting on the flatbread.
Okay, put one of the shrimp over there, sir, please.
The bartender's still working on your guys' drinks, so you all set for order?
Thank you. You already have her order.
Yes, we're doing the grilled shrimp with the grilled chicken, fruit, and fries.
Yes. And fries? No, the
This comes with another side.
oh, it does.
Yeah.
She don't want to eat the fries.
Just let her take it.
I would give 5.
Oh, it's Tristan.
Sister Max 5.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, so tell her what you want first.
Can I have the Cajun chicken linguine Alfredo, please?
Okay.
I don't like though.
The whole is good.
She needs this, but can she get broccoli on the side with this?
This is good, Tristan.
2 of those, 1 for me, 1 for her.
This is good. The shrimp, this is the crispy dragon shrimp.
Sunset
That's some
pasta.
mozzarella sticks.
Is it rum in it?
Which I also have the... For me, I'm going to have...
Just like the picture, you want to make your own.
I'm going to make my own. So I'm going to add the Maine lobster tail,
Yep.
Atlantic salmon,
Yep.
the coconut shrimp,
Listen.
and then the shrimp linguine Alfredo.
And your 32 sides.
I'll take the broccoli. And what else do you have? Just a potato?
Yep.
Yeah, I'll take both of them.
And then for her second side.
Is there any utensils?
Yeah, I'll come back with the
So for her second size, what?
For her second side, she ordered grilled chicken and grilled shrimp.
Does she have broccoli with it?
So she wants broccoli and fruit.
Yep. You're gonna have both.
You're gonna...
Alright, I'll be right back with the drinks and the flatbread.
Thank you. And
More bread utensils, yes, of course.
the pole. Show them the pole, Tristan. The pole is for real.
I'm going to use this chopstick.
Hopefully I don't choke.
The pole is for real.
Finish, I want a bit.
Start down. We're not people blood pressure.
My man.
You know what? I vegetable more.
What are you eating? You're not eating anything.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Bread, thank
Flatbread?
you. Flatbread right there.
I'm coming right back with the utensils and the drinks.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, of course.
I forgot mine. I'm asking so line, but
Red
so
lobster.
line, but
Chongo?
so line. Lemon.
This is the lobster flatbread.
Come on. Secret
Crack the crowd, let's go cross it.
Yeah.
See that?
Hey, you want some?
Yeah, I want some. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, man.
Virgin daiquiri for you.
Keneisha. Yeah, just
The regular daiquiri for her. Heineken for you.
because
So you want to try this?
Yeah, I'm not kissing.
I mean, you know, I've never had oysters before, mama.
This is something that I feel you don't get none better.
Let's let me drink that.
Nobody can bring it like that.
No. If it's a napkin, why come like this?
You get to that age now.
I wish you all that.
The lobster tastes raw. Lobster tastes raw.
This tastes so good.
And I like this.
Yeah, this tastes nice.
Like it? It tastes raw to me. Right? What do you think about
It's new. It's a new taste.
you're trying to acquire it?
The vegetable. Oh, yeah.
You like it though?
No, I'm not using it.
You don't eat?
I'm one more.
I'm not using it.
Yeah, I like it.
They're coming with our mates now. This is the
I don't food before I get to the actual food. You okay, mommy? Cold?
think we bust
Very
it, mama.
cold? Red jacket there. Sure, but I'm jacket. Short.
Mama, take a bus yet, mama?
Hmm?
Take a bus yet?
No, you're not about that, man. Half a minute. Drink that much.
Whoa, this tastes not good.
Anyway, I'll get for you. Take it off right top.
It tastes real fruity, like it tastes like real fruit. Real fruit.
There's
The real
strawberry jacket. I'm enjoying the food so far. That's good. Right now, my belly full. I'm gonna flip the food there. I'm full, man. I don't need nothing else. I'm gonna just eat this and go home.
Those are mid, mama.
I'm gonna just eat the appetizer and eat this and go home. And my belly full.
Oh. At least we have dinner.
Soup the warm.
Abundance of food.
Try. Very capacity TJ saying 75% food. And they have literally 25% left to go.
No, take your food.
Which part? No. My question is, which part do you know there?
One minute. Maybe around
And what
30%.
Full? 30% full? Wait a minute. 25. You're 25% full?
Good though. 22, mama.
How much percent are there?
22.
22%?
I'm just saving it for my food. Pasta.
100% full.
Come on,
Me?
You don't look old.
100% full.
I took it.
No man, you stick up to there.
come on, me not even eat nothing. That's how I feel.
Greedy.
No, I'm just a hungry boy. I'm a growing boy. Right, TJ? I'm a growing boy.
You're a growing boy. I like that for you.
That's probably what it
He
is.
said he's a growing boy.
I'm almost done. I'm almost done.
I just
Sevi, you didn't eat anything though?
yeah. I'm waiting for my food.
How hungry are you? 100%?
100% hungry. It feels like
Greedy, that call.
I'm 100% hungry. It feels like I just came out of bed, but didn't have nothing to eat.
Oh damn, that's hungry. So you don't see anything done?
Yeah, that's I know.
Yeah, we can first it about 4 times already.
Shut up, anything Tuesday. Anything done?
I don't get much.
You just need to go to sleep.
No, so the bed go licking.
Right now, or the AC feel, I feel like I just want a nice blanket and just lie down. So want one?
I like the fish. I really should.
Garlicky.
Garlicky? I like garlic.
Huh?
Use a napkin and wipe it out.
It's hot, okay?
Thank you very much.
Oh, look at you. Oh,
We
she
also
said
got
thank you.
the
Bear.
grilled chicken with broccoli.
Look at Savannah get for your birthday.
Thank
Savannah to the whole thing.
It's my birthday.
Right here.
You guys all set with this? I can take it out your way?
Yeah, please.
Thank you.
I got some rice with some orange and some shrimp.
Wow. Touch me.
Yeah. I'm gonna taste it.
Alright, so this is her second plate. She definitely not touching this, but this one is looking like.
I am gonna taste it.
She not eat that.
Whoa!
Ooh,
Nah.
talk to me nice.
Nah, that do look fine.
This is a shrimp linguine pasta. Pretty. You have the jumbo coconut shrimp. Then you have salmon, lobster tail, baked potato, and the broccoli over there.
This is stronger than.
What happened to it?
It's stronger than Guinness.
Oh yeah, that's been.
Yummy!
I'm asking.
I don't know. You're drinking like a water. Much finger.
Dumb, bro. Because she, no, look what it did.
Why never put it around the shit?
Somebody wants you baby Eddie.
It's too big. Baby that's too big.
Somebody wants you baby Eddie.
Because I was sitting on her.
Why were you doing that?
Because I don't have nowhere to put her.
Oh, come here.
It's the little picnic.
I'll walk this mama.
She's still yummy.
You want to eat it from
Bite it off, yeah.
Just got a couple.
So I've
Try and make sure you
Pull
don't
it
eat the
out.
stick, okay?
Stick it.
No, don't eat
This
it.
don't bite the stick. The stick will push out the teeth. Grandma, how is the food?
Great.
Love it?
Yes.
Mama, can I try mussels? I never had a mussel before.
Let me speak.
My mama eat
No,
it.
no.
Yeah.
Come on. Take
Yeah.
mine. Take mine.
What does he give it? Jesus, teacher solo.
I don't know what it's supposed to taste like. It don't taste like nothing I ever tried.
TJ, I can put it like this forever.
Babes, how is
It's
your
gonna get
food?
tired. And then it's gonna drop down.
Put it on like a normal.
Good?
The man telling no tales, you know.
Hungry man, tell not to be like you enjoy the muscle.
Dead man tell you.
Put this over here so I can once you enjoy it, but watch this.
Now if enjoy when I have muscle.
You can have no muscle. You enjoying your stuff? Chubby, how's your food? Good?
Yep. Very yummy.
Let's taste one. I've never had it
I
before.
feel like if it was more cheesy, I'd enjoy it.
There's a have one of yours.
Want to taste mine too, Mama?
Hmm?
Want to taste mine?
No, eat, baby. You eat.
Okay. Yay.
No. You don't taste like nothing.
Well,
It must not taste like nothing.
no, the texture is to do it, and it tastes really ocean, like sea salt.
Yeah, it tastes like literally like the sea.
So good.
I can hold forever.
I think when it tastes nice, the pasta. Salmon okay. And just it is?
Oh.
Salmon tastes like
Tastes bland.
yeah, in a okay. Nothing spectacular. You like it? You can put it in your sauce.
Also okay. Even the sauce didn't change it.
No? All done, guys. We're packing up. The birds. We can't go no further. Alright, close up our box.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from Red Lobster. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Blow the candle. Ah, you really wish?
Yes.
Enjoy.
I think it sounds very full.
Enjoy.
Hey, Keneisha.
Hey, I reserve. You see the part, man. The part I reserve.
You're not for to help me eat this
Who?
thing here.
Come on,
Come on, you want help Grandma eat it? What, man, Grandma eat it?
Alright, where's the other one, Mama?
I confirm that you received a $40 gift card.
I did get it.
Okay.
But there's another one that equals to 40. Oh, Mama, my phone is gonna die, Mama. We need to hurry up with this.
But it's so good. Right?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. So tell the people what you thought about your birthday dinner and your birthday
Everything
day.
was so great. So great. So great. I enjoy every bit of it. Jamaica, back and here I come.
Yeah, she'll be going back very soon. So
Coming back to you.
on her birthday day, which was Thursday, I made a spectacular breakfast for her.
That was so good.
Yeah. And she brought it well served in the tray and everything.
I was so fried.
Mm-hmm.
I get out of the kitchen and go back downstairs.
Yeah, me come in the kitchen and I'm like, what you do? Like, what are you doing? Go downstairs. So, fly again, my mouth. I don't say nothing. So, what? Say hi.
And there comes the surprise.
Woo. So,
Did you just kiss me?
no, I did something there.
What is that?
So, and then now I told her we're just gonna have dinner because she didn't know anything about it. So
And
I had,
that was always my favorite place I was. That was always the place I think I wanted.
yeah, she's like my favorite
Red
place. I say you
Lobster.
can't have favorite place if you don't never got a place before.
Girl, people, I enjoy every bit. And by the time I come out, no one feel like me hungry again. So let's go back.
In a car. Just that I'm teaching in a car. Anyway, guys, this is where we're gonna end the video. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. Now, until later, guys. Bye. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.